The final step in the cleaning and disinfection process is the process of validation, where we actually corroborate whether we've done a good job in the cleaning and disinfection steps. You can do that by many different ways. One way is by visual scoring. Another way is by using agar contact plates or swab sampling. Another way is by measuring cleanliness levels by using ATP bioluminescence, or in some cases you can use real-time PCR to measure the levels of any type of DNA left behind. The problem with PCR sometimes is that you can get false positive in the sense that you can detect DNA material, but that doesn't mean necessarily that the virus is infective at that point.